Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's dive into something that I find incredibly exciting and super useful. Imagine having your very own AI assistant, right on your local machine, just like ChatGPT. Sounds impressive, right? Well, stick around as we discover how easy it is to set this all up in under 10 minutes. You might be thinking, this sounds complicated, Jeremy, but trust me, it's not. In fact, I've set this up myself multiple times, and each time, it takes me only about as long as it takes to finish my coffee. Yep, that's right. You can transform your workflow and productivity faster than you can submit a report. Now, let's talk about why having a local AI like this is a game changer. We live in a world where data privacy is crucial, especially if you are working with proprietary information or secret recipes. Imagine doing all your coding or content creation tasks without fear of those pesky data leaks. By running everything locally, you're in control. You might be wondering, why local? Well, when you use an AI that runs locally, you eliminate the risks associated with sharing your sensitive information online. Think of it this way. Would you give out your bank PIN to a stranger on the internet? Probably not. So why risk your private data? Local setups keep your secrets operational without compromising security. And let's not forget the user experience. Setting up this local assistant is straightforward. You get an interface that feels endless, flexible, and you can adapt it to your liking. If you've ever wished for a personal coding Copilot, guess what? You can have one now. Plus, the instant feedback is super rewarding and satisfying. So, what's the tech behind this, you ask? We're talking about global heavyweights like Ollama, Llama, and more. These models have evolved rapidly, allowing us to create a robust coding assistant. For instance, Ollama allows you to run models that help you write code, debug, and even offer suggestions while you work. Each model has its unique strengths. Speaking of models, integrating them with popular coding environments like VS Code can feel like magic. I've tried several setups, and using these models with VS Code has nearly doubled my productivity. For instance, when working on a complex project, having real-time suggestions has helped me write code faster and with more confidence. Now, you may have heard of tools like GitHub Copilot, and they do have their strengths. But setting up Ollama alongside special extensions provides fresh alternatives that are competitive and offer you a unique experience. You'll discover how simple it is to add this to your coding environment without having to pay hefty subscriptions. The most exciting part? All of this setup can genuinely be completed in under 10 minutes. You heard that right. Yet, it may seem a bit daunting at first glance. With just a few clicks and commands, you'll have this powerful tool working for you. And this quick process makes it really attractive for those of you on a busy schedule. Let's celebrate the wins together. Once everything is up and running, watch how your efficiency skyrockets with just this little effort. Plus, imagine impressing your colleagues by sharing quick tidbits you've generated with your local AI. They will surely be asking how you're producing so much great work so fast. Let's take a moment to appreciate the innovation. We are living in an era where powerful AI models are at our fingertips. And the best part is, even if you don't consider yourself tech-savvy, these tools have intuitive features designed for everyone. Think of the endless opportunities that are created by breaking down the barriers to advanced technology. As I continue my journey to bring you better content, I genuinely want to create a community where we share experiences and learn from each other. We've all been there, the struggles of technical setups and the joy of finding easy solutions. Your insights and feedback truly help shape the content I create. I can't express enough how grateful I am to have you all here. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit that like button. I also encourage you to subscribe if you haven't already. Your support means everything. And leave your feedback in the comments. I genuinely want to know your thoughts and ideas. As we wrap this up, remember that AI can truly change the game when it comes to productivity and creativity. By leveraging local resources, not only do you enhance your workflow, but you also take control of your data. I hope you feel empowered to explore these technologies and create something great. Until next time, keep innovating.